Hello, Wisey Kids! My name is Esther Teacher, and I am the 7-year-old teacher this year. Today, I want to do my favorite subject with you guys. Do you know what subject that is? Science, of course! And we're not just going to do one experiment. We are going to do 2 really cool experiments. Are you guys excited? Okay, the first experiment is called the leak-proof bag experiment. So we need a couple things. We need a plastic bag that zips up, a Ziploc bag. Teacher's bag is a little small, but you could use a medium-sized bag, a big-sized bag. It doesn't matter as long as it zips up like that, okay? You also need a pencil, but the more pencils that you have, the better. Okay, so however many pencils your mom and dad say you can use. And you also need a pencil sharpener, some water, and also a bowl. Okay? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now, step 1. You have to grab your pencils and make sure that they are sharp. Your pencils need to be sharp for this experiment. So grab your pencil sharpener and check to see if all of your pencils are pointy. This one is not that pointy, so I'm gonna just sharpen it a little bit. Let me see. These are okay. I think this one needs to be sharpened a little bit more. Okay, and I don't know if you guys saw, but I'm using colored pencils because they're prettier. But you could use whatever pencils that you have, okay? And then, let's see, we're at step 2 now, right? After you get all of your pencils ready, you take your Ziploc bag, you take your bowl, put your bowl under, because we're going to start pouring water into this bag and we don't want to spill all over the table. So open the bag, and you might want your mom and dad to help you because teacher's going to do this by myself. You have to pour water in here, but it might be too hard to do it. So maybe have them hold the bag for you, okay? So you fill the bag with water a little bit. See how hard it is, right? You fill it about more than half, but not all the way, because then the water might spill and it might be too hard to zip up. Okay, so it's a little bit more than half. And I'm gonna zip it up. Zip, 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 zip. Okay, now we're ready to go. But before we start the experiment, I have one question. Actually, I have 2 questions. I have 2 questions to ask you, okay? The first question is, what do you think will happen if we take this pencil and we poke the pencil into the balloon? You want to see? Let's see if your guess is right, okay? On the count of 3. 1, I'm scared. 2, 3. Ah! What happened? It popped, right? Well, my second question is this. What do you think will happen if I poke this pencil through this plastic bag filled with water? Do you think it'll pop too? Do you think the water will spill out? Let's see. Let the experiment begin. Ready? On the count of 3 again. 1, 2, 3. What happened? Did the water come out? Did it pop? No, the water stayed in. Look, I put the baggie over my head. No water coming out. How cool is that? How about we try another pencil, okay? Do you think that one will make the bag leak? Let's see. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. No! Wow! I want to do another pencil. This is so cool. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Poke all the way through. No! The water's not spilling out. How is that that even possible? How cool is that? I want to try a blue one now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, poke! Purple color now? 1, 2, 3, poke! 1, 2, 3, last one maybe? Poke! Uh-oh, a little spillage, but not that much. I can still put it over my head and I don't get too wet. Wow, how cool is that, guys? Really, really, really cool. But what do you think will happen if I pull the pencil out? Do you think the water will come out then? Let's see. Ready? On the count of 3. 1. I'm scared. 2, 3. The water's spilling out. What about the purple pencil? Whoa! Another one. Whoa! The water's coming out now. This one. If you guys do this at home, maybe when you take the pencils out, make sure that you do this under the sink. Because I think you'll make a big mess and your parents might get angry at you, right? That was so cool, guys. So much fun. Now, so for our second experiment, we're going to do the pepper and soap experiment. Are you guys ready? Okay, so we need to get a plate. Any kind of plate is fine. Big, small, it doesn't matter. We need some water again. Some black pepper. Any kind of black pepper is fine. Anything that you have at home. And also some dish soap that you have to wash dishes. So, shall we begin? You grab your plate. And you, here, let me get my camera so I can show you. You pour some water into the plate like this. Just don't pour too much that it overflows. And then you grab your black pepper and you sprinkle it onto the plate. Not too much, just about like that much. And then do you see how the black pepper is just floating on the surface of the water? So cool. You know what we should do? We should pretend like the black pepper. They're germs. They're viruses. They're the coronavirus. Germs, go away. How do you think we should make the germs go away? How about we use our soap? Okay, teacher poured some soap into a little dish to make it easier. What do you think is going to happen when we dip our finger into the soap and touch the black pepper, also known as germs? Let's see, okay? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Dip my finger into the soap and... What's going on? They're all running away. They're running away. They're running away. Wow. So that means, guys, when you wash your hands and you have germs all over your hands, you should definitely use soap, because what will happen when you use soap, when you wash your hands, all the germs will run away, right? You want to do this one more time? Okay, hold on. One more time. I'm going to get a new plate, okay? I'm going to pour water on it. Okay. Maybe this time it'll work a little bit better. Ready? Here we go. Okay. Go away, icky germs, go away, here comes the germs. Go away, icky germs, go away. Now I'm gonna dip my finger in the soap. When you use soap and water, all the germs will run away and scatter. Cool. Icky germs will run away and you'll say, hooray! I had so much fun doing the 2 experiments with you guys. I hope you guys had fun too. Let me know if you do these 2 experiments at home, and teacher will give you a lot of star stickers, okay? All right, I had fun. Bye, see you next time.